Welcome to Best Choice. The best Downey Scents is probably one of the most versatile and impactful ways to elevate your home's atmosphere, transforming everyday laundry into an olfactory experience that lingers long after the cycle is done, making your clothes smell amazing and your living space feel more inviting and luxurious. Number 5. Downy Wrinkle Releaser Spray, Crisp Linen Scent. Tired of stubborn wrinkles? Discover the easy way to refresh your clothes. It's your go-to solution for a smooth, crisp finish every time. Beyond just wrinkles, this spray tackles unwanted odors and static cling. Keep your fabric smelling fresh and feeling smooth all day long. Use it as a quick fabric refresher between washes. It's perfect for giving your garments a renewed look and feel with minimal effort. Simplify your ironing routine with this powerful spray. It acts as an effective ironing aid, making the process faster and more efficient. Enjoy the refreshing and clean scent of crisp linen. It leaves your clothes smelling as good as they look, adding a touch of freshness. Get the perfect size for any need. This offer includes both larger bottles for home and a smaller one for on-the-go convenience. What we like? This product is your ultimate fabric refresher. It tackles wrinkles, odors, and static all in one spray. If you need a quick fix for your clothes before heading out or want an easy ironing aid, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It works magic on those summer tops. I rarely use my iron for everyday clothing. This product works great on wrinkles and light creases, perfect for taking on holiday. Lay your item on the bed, spray, wipe your hands across the garment and wrinkles are gone. Turn the item over and spray and run your hands over your garment and all the wrinkles are gone. Number 4. Downy Fresh Protect Laundry Scent Booster Beads. Tired of lingering odors in your laundry? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your clothes smelling fresh for longer. Our unique formula harnesses the power of Febreze to tackle tough smells at the source. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors and hello to lasting freshness. Experience the invigorating scent of April fresh with every wash. It's like bringing the outdoors in, keeping your fabric smelling delightful. Simply toss a capful into your washing machine before adding clothes. It's that easy to boost your laundry scent. Enjoy up to 42 loads of freshness with just one bottle. Your clothes will stay smelling amazing, wash after wash. Upgrade your laundry routine with Downy Fresh Protect. Get powerful odor defense and a scent that lasts. What we like? Experience continuous freshness with these scent booster beads. They are infused with Febreze odor defense to keep your laundry smelling great for longer. If you want your clothes to maintain a fresh scent throughout the day, especially after workouts or long wear, this is the one for you. What people say. I have sensitive skin and have a hard time finding things to keep my laundry fresh longer that I don't react to. These scent beads fit the bill perfectly. My clothes are fresh, I'm not allergic to them, and my clothes don't feel weird and greasy like some other brands can make them. They have that great smelling Febreze scent. Such a joy to add to my washer before adding my clothes. I've learned with these beads to sprinkle in the amount I think is good based on the amount of clothes I put in. I do use these every time I wash clothes. The scent doesn't stay in the washer after washing one load of laundry. I surely do notice a fresh scent once my clothes are clean. Pretty looking pink beads. This scent is the creme de la creme. Smells so fresh. I compare the smell to a mixture of fresh linen and a newborn baby smell. It is delightful and it actually makes the laundry smell fabulous. It is not a feminine smell, it certainly is gender neutral. Number 3. Downy Infusions Calm Scent Booster Beads. Introducing Downy Infusions Calm. Experience the soothing blend of lavender and vanilla bean for a tranquil laundry day. These scent booster beads are designed to enhance your fabric softener's performance. Simply toss them in before your wash. Enjoy a gentle, calming scent that lasts. Your clothes will smell fresh and inviting, load after load. Just add these beads to your washing machine drum. They dissolve completely, leaving no residue behind. Make laundry a moment of peace. Let the calming aroma of lavender and vanilla bean transform your everyday routine. Designed to complement your favorite fabric softener, these beads add an extra layer of delightful fragrance. What we like? Indulge in a tranquil laundry experience with this calming scent. The blend of lavender and vanilla bean creates a soothing aroma. If you are looking to create a relaxing atmosphere in your home and want your fabrics to carry a gentle, comforting fragrance, this is an excellent option. What people say. Very pleasant scent that's long-lasting. It is Downy, which is a trusted product, and the quality of the scent beads is incredible. I have a daughter that's highly allergic to everything, and this is just fine for her. Every load of laundry smells like it's been to therapy, calm, relaxed, and maybe ready to give me advice. Toss them in, no hassle, no drama, just dreamy, spa-scented clothes that make me feel like I have my life together. Number 2. Fresh Wave Odor Removing Laundry Booster. Are stubborn smells clinging to your laundry? Introducing a revolutionary solution to tackle those tough odors effectively and naturally. Harnessing the power of nature, this laundry booster uses plant-based ingredients to eliminate odors at their source. It's a safer way to achieve a truly fresh scent. Perfect for all your fabrics, from activewear and pet bedding to blankets and clothes. It works wonders on anything that needs a refresh. Experience relief from unpleasant smells without harsh chemicals. This formula provides a gentle yet effective approach to odor control. Enjoy a lasting sense of clean and freshness with every wash. It's the simple way to ensure your laundry always smells its best. Just add it to your regular wash cycle for an instant boost of odor-fighting power. It integrates seamlessly into your laundry routine. What we like. This laundry booster offers natural odor elimination powered by plants. It's a safer alternative for tackling tough smells in your fabrics. If you have sensitive skin, pets, or are simply seeking an eco-friendly solution for odor relief in activewear, bedding, or clothes, consider this. What people say. A little goes a long way, so you get a lot of loads of laundry out of one bottle. Super easy to use, just add a capful to your regular laundry routine to get stubborn odors out. I like to add it to my rinse cycle as a fabric softener because you get a longer lasting scent that way. It works great for workout wear, towels, bedding, pet laundry, clothes that are musty from being in storage, and even that load of laundry you left in the washer for a week that now smells all gross and mildewy. The scent is very natural and herbaceous, not chemically or perfume-y. It smells like pine and lemongrass. It works. Sour laundry, you know when you forgot to put it in the dryer for days, or even didn't dry well enough in the dryer and again forgot it. But this stuff not only got out the smell but it didn't return. And it doesn't linger on your laundry once washed either. Now having 3 dogs, this is a must-have for bedding and things, even throw stinky toys. Works. Works like an odor eater. I was looking for something less chemical to give my clothes a boost. One cap does the job, 2 is better. No more than that is needed. Number 1. Downy Unstopables Laundry Scent Booster Beads. Tired of your laundry losing its fresh scent? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your clothes smelling amazing, load after load. These powerful scent booster beads are designed to infuse your fabrics with a delightful fragrance that lasts. Simply toss them in the wash for an enduring freshness you'll love. Using them is incredibly simple. Just add the beads to your washing machine before starting the cycle. It's that easy to elevate your laundry routine. Whether it's your everyday clothes, towels, or bedding, these scent boosters work wonders on all types of fabrics. Enjoy a consistently fresh-smelling wardrobe. Discover the joy of laundry that not only looks clean but smells incredibly fresh. Give your clothes the gift of long-lasting, invigorating scent. What we like. Get ready for an invigorating burst of freshness with these scent booster beads. They lock in scent and block odors, ensuring your laundry stays vibrant. If you love a strong, clean fragrance that lasts and want your clothes to smell amazing wash after wash, this is the ideal pick. What people say. The scent is long-lasting and leaves clothes smelling fresh for days. It adds a pleasant aroma to laundry without being overpowering. A little goes a long way, making the product economical. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.